whether the screen is getting shared. Are you able to view it? Okay, yes, thank you, Prajit. So let's move. Take up the question. I think we have taken up this question, right, in the previous class. So let me take you to the new question that this was our question which I have given for as a homework. Okay then, let me save it. Okay, so let's start, students. We'll start with the step one. Okay, so first I'll write down the transition table. Okay, so I want you people with me. You should try. Those who have not tried at their home, you also try, and you take a pen and paper, and along with me, you try with this. Whether we are going in flow or not, we'll get to know. Okay. So over 0, and those who have done it, just verify कि मैं सही कर रहा हूँ क्या या फिर आपका कहीं पे गलत हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, you just check it out. Okay, so we'll be trying it out. Give the initial state. A was initial state. Which are final state? The final states are C, D, and E. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Now give the transition. A over 0, where it goes? It goes to B. A over 1, it goes to C. B over 0, B over 0 goes to A. B over 1 goes to D. C over 0 goes to E. C over 1 goes to F. D over 0 goes to E, and D over 1 goes to F. E over 0 goes to E, and E over 1 goes to F. F over 0 goes to F, and F over 1, excuse me, F over 1 goes to F. Am I right? Okay, fine. Now, after this, I'll start getting my table. Okay, what I said to you people to how we are going to get the table. First, remove get the skip the first state B. So we are skipping A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, and in horizontal, skip the last state A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Get the entries now. Let it be here. Okay. Okay. Now this was the table. I hope you can you might have understood how I have drawn the table. Mark the final state. Once again, try to understand how I'm going to make the crosses. This is very important. Okay. So any combination with the final and non-final will cross, stating it as a distinguishable state. Okay. So AB. What about this? Whether it is distinguishable or indistinguishable states. AB, this cell is a combination of A and B. So whether it is indistinguishable or distinguishable, guys, as of now, what you will say? Shall I keep it blank or shall I cross it? Shall I keep it cross? Shall I keep it blank or make it cross this cell?
Keep it blank.
It is blank. Very good. What about AC? Now A is a non-final state. C is the final set. That's why I marked it. I have marked it here so that we can easily understand. So it is cross, it is cross, and this is also called, because this cell is a combination of AC, AD, and AE, in which A is a non-final but CDE are marked as a final state. So any combination with the final and non-final considered as a considered as a distinguishable state. So we are simply marking it as a cross. That's it. Okay. What about AF? Fine, blank. What about BC? Mark. BD? Mark. BE? Mark. Okay, this is blank. What about CD, guys? Can you tell me what about CD? What about CD? Shall we keep it as a blank, or shall we make it as marked as cross?
Blank.
Aniket, it is blank. May I know the reason? Because
Indistinguishable.
uh yeah, so this cell actually it is a combination of C and D, in which both states are final. Both states are final, so we will be keep it as blank. What about CE? The same reason, it will be blank. What about CF? It will be cross. What about DE? Now this cell DE, it will be blank. What about DF? Cross. What about E? Only one cell we have. EF, it will be cross. This is our, in the, you can say, step 1. Any doubts in this till this much? Yeah. Okay, fine. Now we'll take up to the step 2. In the step 2, what you are supposed to do now? In the step 2, I'll require this also. Once you get, you take up now which all the cells are blank. Okay, which all the cells are blank. Just find it out. Okay, यहाँ से चलिए कौन सा cells पहला blank है? AB is the one cell. This is blank. This cell is blank. Next is AF is this another cell which is blank. Okay, next is this cell is blank. That is DC. That is problem. Ruler. Yes. Okay, fine. Next is DC is the blank. Then CE is blank. Next DE is blank. Okay, this around 3 plus 2 5 states are blank. Okay, so somebody please note down these things because we'll be using it. Okay, I can do one thing. I'll write around here only. Sorry.
BF. Sir, even BF is
BF,
blank.
let me check. Yeah, this is left out. Even BF चेक करो अभी 1 2 3 4 5 6 या 6 states. Okay, so I'll write down here only then. AB, then AF, and then BF, then DC or CD, then CE, and the last is DE. In the step 2, this is all about the step 2. Okay, over zeros and ones. I'll just make this for better visibility. Okay, this is step 2. Okay, so tell me about AB over 0. What is this? AB over 0 is AB, AB over 1, CD, AF over 0, तो यहां से चेक करने का A and F over 0 क्या है, BF, राइट इट डाउन BF. Okay, AF over 1, AF over 1, A over 1 is C, F over 1 is F, so CF. BF over 1, A, F and DF, A, F and DF. Next DC, DC, that is EE and FF, EE and FF. Next CE, CE again EE and FF, EE and FF. Here also DE, EE and EF, FF. Yes guys, is it correct? I hope you people are doing with me. Those who have not tried at home, you might have got the steps like this. Yes. Okay. Now we'll once again draw the table. Okay, the same table we'll be drawing. Okay. A नहीं आएगा, B, C, D, E and F. यहाँ पे A, B, C, D and E. ओके क्लास. सो पहले का ये जो स्टेप 1 है जैसे कि वैसे यहाँ पे कॉपी कर देने का, विच वॉज क्रॉस लाइक दिस, same thing. Okay, now we are going to mark in the table, that is in the step 2 table. This is step 2 table. Okay, and then here also C, D, E, 6 states where 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, fine. Okay, now start marking the things. Now AB was blank in this step 1. Just check it out, AB, whether AB was blank. Yeah, check it out. No, AB is blank, so we will be making this a blank. What about CD? CD, just check it out, CD entry, it is also blank. If both are blank, if both are blank, this was also a blank. Okay, so simply we will be keeping it as blank, we will not make it cross. What about AF guys, please check it out. What about BF? The entry over the BF is blank. What about CF? CF, see guys, this entry is cross, so we'll be making it as cross. Now in this combination, if you find any of the entry is cross, then in this case this should be cross. So AF, where is the combination with the A? It is not F, it is, yeah, AF. This entry will also marked as cross. Okay, I hope you people are getting the things. Then here also in the second BF, here the entry is AF. Now don't consider this for this AF, this table. You have to consider for this only the table step, previous step result. Okay, AF. So AF entry is blank, leave it blank, no issue. Okay, and DF, check it out, DF, it is cross. It means this is not equivalent. So in this table you mark BF as cross. Okay, now about the DC, check about the E. What is the EE? Blank or cross? The cell EE. See, there is no cell, and actually a state itself is equivalent. So blank, blank. So you can say, because the second entry is also FF, the state itself is equivalent. That will be blank. Here also EE, it is blank. FF is also blank. So this will be blank. Well, the same thing goes here. Okay, now I'll come to one conclusion after this step 2, that A is equivalent with B. Okay, these two things are not equivalent. Right now I have only left with this much blank. Okay, this is, and we are interested in blank entries. Now get the blank AB. So AB is equivalent. The next is C and D. So I'll write it down. C is equivalent with the D. Okay, next is, this is CD. Okay, CD is gone. C is equivalent with E. See guys, C is equivalent with E, and this is the D is equivalent with D. D is equivalent with E. Now, if you're able to see C is equivalent to D, CE is equivalent to E, definitely D is equivalent with E. So can I consider like this? C is, just a minute, this eraser, this pen is not good. I don't know. Okay, yeah. So what I'll say, C is equivalent with the D and these are equivalent with E, right? So what I'm getting now, A is equivalent with B and C, D, and left out is only F. Okay, this is a result at the step 2. In the step 3, shall I write it here only? Whether you people are getting it, class, because almost we are done. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now I'll do one thing. I'll write down step 3 on here only. आपको
Yes,
इस
sir.
तरीके से नहीं करना है, आपको प्रॉपर सुटेबल इसमें अच्छे से लिखना है आंसर्स. I have only one page, so I am writing it here only. Step 3. Now what I'll be doing, I got to know A is equivalent with B and C, D are equivalent. So I'll make mention this as when, so you definitely will be taking only you can take any of the names, either A instead of B or B instead of A, as well as C, D, E की जगह पे एक कौन सा आप कैरेक्टर ले सकते हो, बोलिए कौन कौन सा लें. Generally we'll go with the left hand side, so I'll consider A, then B हो गया, C, D, E की जगह पे I'll go with the C and left out with F. Okay, now I'll make my final transition table over 0 and over 1. Okay, now what is the initial state? Initial state is obviously A or B. So initial state, what is final state? It is C is my final state. कुछ problem है. Okay, so A over 0, what was A over 0? B. यहाँ पे B तो है नहीं, किसको लेंगे आप? A over 0, what it will be? It will be A only. A over 1, it was C, it is C entries here. C over 0, what is that? C over 0, it is E. There is no entry of E. Then what you will be doing? Tell me guys fast. C over 0, it is E.
C.
It is C, its equivalent state you have to consider. Okay, C over F, it is F. We have the entry here F in the states. These are the states, these are the states, and these are the alphabets. F over 0, it is F. F over 1, it is F. Okay, after this you will be simply drawing a transit. This is a part continuation of the step 3, the transition diagram. Now I'll explain you how these are equivalent. Okay, that is why I'm writing in the same page. A, which was initial state, then C, and I'll make F here. Okay, which was, this is final state. Okay, क्या बोल रहा है? A over 0, A over 0, no, this is over 1. A over 0 is A. Okay, then C over 0 is going to itself, and C over 1 going to here, F01. Now guys, try to understand from this what you understand. This string is going to accept what kind, this automata is going to accept what kind of string? C is your final state. After that it is coming out to A. आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है इसमें, बताइए. See, it accepts only one in the combination of zeros and ones. Only one. After that, if n number of ones are coming, more than number of ones are coming, we are giving it to a dead state. This is a dead state. Okay, right? Now please check it out. You get me any strings which will be accepted by this automata. Can you tell me? We are going to check if this is a minimized of this automata. Here are near about 6 states were there. Here we are getting only 3 states. So we have means this complete automata is reduced to 50%, but its answer means the strings which were accepted by the given automata should be accepted by this minimized automata, and the strings which were rejected by these given automata should be rejected by the minimized automata. That should be same. Okay, it should not affect on its the effectiveness of the automata. So now tell me, give me one string which will be accepted by this automata. We will be seeing whether it will be accepted by this automata or not. Can you make it fast? Tell me one string which will be accepted of certain length. Okay, any length. Make it fast, guys. What about 0, 1, 0, 0? Whether it will be accepted by this automata? 0,
Yes, sir.
1, 0, 0, 0, 0. N number of 0. Let it be. Okay. So we'll be checking out with this. So this is initial state. Okay, we'll start with the A. 0, it goes to B. 1, it goes to D. Then how many zeros it has? It has 3 zeros. So 1 0 goes to E, another 0 goes to E, another 0 is goes to E. So it is reaching to the final state. It is accepted. If I have written here 1, guys, what happens here? Just check it out. 0, 1, 3 times 0 and then 1, it is going to non-final state. So it will be rejected. So we'll check it out with this. What is going to happen? 0, A, 0, B, then 1 to D, then 3 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is reaching to the final state. Now if you are able to observe, देखिए D का भी transition over 1 going to F, C which was final state, it's इसका भी transition over 1 going to F, and E का भी transition over 1 goes to F. So they are not at all accepting. Once you reach to the final state, whatever the entry is coming over 1, we are giving it to dead state. Is it a dead state, guys? Is there any outgoing path? This F is a dead state, right? Yes. Okay, so this is how we have to verify whatever the minimized automata we have got, whether it is accepting as well as rejecting the strings which were accepted and rejected by the given automata. Okay, it takes hardly 20 seconds to verify, but it is my warm suggestion for you people to do this. Spend your 20 seconds so that you will understand कि आपने कहाँ पे गलती किया है, or you will be getting confidence. Yes, you are correct. I hope you understood all the steps, and Shambhavi, I hope you understood the mistake you have done in your answer.
Yes, sir.
As Prajit, you also got to know now where you have made the mistake or what, right? In the same fashion,
Yes.
I want everybody to check up these things. So how many of you have got the same answer if you have tried at your home along with me in pen and paper? Okay, people have given me the strings. See guys, it is very difficult when you are typing over here. I used to be on another way. It is better you can unmute and you can speak, because see here students has given the strings but I couldn't consider them. Anyways, fine. Okay, uh, so shall we take up the another question? So it will be good actually. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll take up the another question now. Let me save this. One or the other day you will require. Let me make it a keep. Okay, I want you people to do this another question now only, and you can show me the answers in your book. Okay, so next question is on your screen. This is the question. It has only one final state and I want you people to do it now only. Just have a feeling of classroom, and you take a pen and paper, solve your answer, and simply take a snap, or you can open your you can start your camera and show me the output. I Okay, and tell me which all strings, which all states are equivalent states, and your minimized automata. How many states are there? Okay, so I'm giving you some say 5 to 10 minutes to solve the answer. This question was already asked in the year 2012 or 13 for 7 marks. Okay, please make it fast, guys. Let me see how many people are attentive now. Yeah, I hope you people have noted down. Okay, Arish, note it down fast.
दिल बैठ गया, इसलिए नहीं कि हम लास्ट थे, पर इसलिए कि हमारा दोस्त फेल हो गया था।
Yeah, any doubts, guys? Yes, guys. One student has already got the answer. It's he has got. Okay. Okay. And at the last, beta, you need to write down the machine equation also. Don't forget to write down the first machine equation, and don't forget to mention the distinguishable and indistinguishable states. Okay. You have written, your answer is correct. Simply state which are the distinguishable and indistinguishable states, as well as write down the machine equation. Harshada also sent me the answer. Let me see what answer she has got. No, Harshada, somewhere you made a mistake. Okay, we'll see the question. I think step 1 is correct. In the step 2, A, B, A, C, we'll see about the step 2, beta. Okay, stay tuned with me. I'll be taking up the step 2 here. Or just check your answer once again by creating the table. Step 2 is somewhere you made mistake. uh, Mr. Sanket, make the answer a complete one, because here the state transition diagram is missing. So as well as final transition table is missing. Okay, make it complete and just check it out once. Otherwise, it looks your answer is correct, but it is incomplete. But it is incomplete. Let's see with the Shambhavi what she has got. Shambhavi, okay, step one is correct. No, Shambhavi. Uh, Somewhere you made once again a small mistake. Otherwise, your answer is correct. A small mistake is there. Just please check it. Okay, Sanket. Then Snehal also sent one mail. Let's check about this. Yes, Snehal, you got the correct one. Only one thing you have to mention. In the written words, you have to mention about the which all are the distinguishable and indistinguishable states, and machine equation is missing. Otherwise, your correct steps and the answer is correct. Okay, better. Please keep it in mind that this kind of question will be asked for 7 to 8 or maybe more than that marks. If you go through the question paper, you will understand. Okay. This guy Shiv Kumar. Let me check Shiv Kumar your answer. Shiv Kumar, you made one mistake in the step two. Okay, step one, I think everybody is comfortable with the step one. Whatever the answers people have sent me, I feel they are comfortable with the step one. They are little bit having a problem with the step two, to understand which one will be the equivalent and which one we have to consider distinguishable states. Okay, so that's why I have stopped myself over the step two. We'll be checking with the step two here. Yeah, yeah. Make the fast, guys. Other people make it fast. Let's see whether you are following the concept it or not. This is very important. Okay. Okay. So BC over 0, where it goes, BC over 0 goes to, okay, I have written already BB and DC. Okay, then BD over 0, BD is again BB. Sorry, इसमें BB आया क्या? B, हाँ, BB, and what is DE, and CD is BB and CE. Okay. Now, guys, those who couldn't get the answer, or those I showed the step two is wrong, just please have a look on this. Everybody, if you, I must tell you, if you get a step two correct, you can easily make a point over which states are distinguishable and indistinguishable. And once you get to know that, definitely there is nothing left out. Only you need to minimize or replace the certain equivalent states and get the DFA. That is very simple. Step 2 plays a vital role to get the answer for this. Okay. So see, we have to check now these entries. Okay. So BB is blank. What about the CD, guys? The entry over the CD. Entry over the CD. Just check it out. It is CD, right? Yeah. It is blank. Okay. Fine. BB, it is blank. CC, it is blank. This is blank. This is also AD is equivalent with. Okay, I got one more answer about, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, she has got the correct answer. This Sana, you got the correct answer. We'll see this. Great. Okay. Okay. Next, this is AD. AD. I have written properly. AD. No, it is E. It is E. Okay. So CE is non-equivalent. So this is non-equivalent. BC. Just check it out. BC. It is, and what is that, DC or what, BC? Yes, Next, this is BB and this is DE, which is not. Next CD, this is blank, and what about this is not, so this is not. Now here, if you're able to see in the step 2, what we are getting, we got AB. Okay, then so I'll make one table once again here, guys. Okay. B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D. Okay, consider the previous entries. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, now what we got, AB, so make it blank. Then AC, make it blank. Then what we have got, we have got about AD is cross, cross. About BC, about BC is cross. uh, no, BC is blank or what? It is blank. Okay, BC is blank for timing. I'll add BC is blank. Then we got this BD as cross and CD as cross. Okay, now let's check it out, guys. Here again, you are supposed to consider, you got the 3 entries, consider them and reiterate the step 2, reiterate the step 2. Okay, unless and until you get all the entries uh, as properly blank. So I'll simply take the entries AB, AC, and what was that, BC over 0 and 1. AB over 0, what was the entry? AB over 0 is BB. AB over 1, CD. AC over 0 is BB. AC over 1 is CC. BC over 0 is BB. And BC over 1 is DC. Okay. Yes. Now, once again, for this, you will be checking the step 2 answer. Now, once again, check BB is blank. There is no problem. What about CD in this? CD is blank. Sorry, cross. Make it cross. So AB is not. This is what the people, most of the people, they have made mistake. They are not going to check further. ओके, जब तक आपको सारी स्टेट्स मतलब जो प्रॉपर ब्लैंक है उसी को आपको ब्लैंक ही मिलेगा, उस टाइम तक आपको चेक करते हुए जाना है. ओके, अबाउट BC AC it is blank, this is also blank. What about BC? This is blank. What about DC? It is cross, so it is cross. So here we have got only AC. Okay, so in this I will say we have got, I'll note down here also only. Okay, and this is blank. So only this entry AC is blank. We'll check AC once again, no issue, 0 and 1. Okay, let us assume this is the output of the next state. Okay, AC over 0, where it goes, it is going to BB and CC. Just check karo, yeah, BB blank hai and this is still blank, so it means at the final we will claim A is equivalent with C. As A is equivalent with this 3 C and the step 4 or step 3, whatever is step, I will simply say yes. So how many states I have? I'll be simply writing, I'll be getting A comma C as one of my state, comma I will be having B is different state, D another, and F. So AC is equivalent state. I'll consider A only. Okay, so as it is my initial state, let me go. Then it goes to B. Okay, then it goes to C, D, and F. So only one change, we have successfully reduced one state. That is our answer. So A over 0, okay, A over 1, B over 0, B over 1, C over 0, C over 1, D over 0, D over 1, this is E over 0, and E over 1. It is here. Okay. So we have एक मिनट B क्यों आया यहाँ पे? Extremely sorry, C will not come. I have simply drawn the same. Just a minute, guys. Okay, this is fine. I was in different flow. Okay. Okay. A and C are clubbed together. So whenever C is there, we'll be considering. Okay. A का fine है, B and C मतलब C it is going to itself over 1. Okay. B is fine. C is itself. We have already considered D, BE and E, BC. So over 1. You will be getting the answer like this. How many of you have got the answers like this, guys? Where you have successfully minimized the state by 1. Okay, so instead of having 5 state, you will be able to do the same thing with 4 state. Yeah. So I got one more answer. I hope that particular student has done it. Yeah, and what is the answer? Yeah, very good. A, C, B, D, and E. Yes, you can check after this, guys. After this, most of the people they are not writing 2 points. Two important points are you have to first find out which are the distinguishable states. Distinguishable states. Out of these, which are the distinguishable states? Distinguishable states are here B, D, and E. What are the indistinguishable states? Indistinguishable states are A, comma C. Okay, these are the indistinguishable. And at the last, when you draw this, don't forget to draw the machine equation to get the machine equation. Okay, what is the machine equation? You know the 5 tuples. First tuple is the state. How many states you have right now? It is A, B, and C will not be there, D and E. Okay, out of this, which is your transition function, which is your initial state? Initial state is A. What is your final state? It is E. Okay, is there something is missing in the final tuple? State, and what are the alphabets? It is 0, 1. That's it. Okay, class. Most of the people are missing these 2 important points. So try to keep in mind. You have to add these 2 points as the answers at the last. Okay. I hope you people have understood the things. Yes, guys. Any doubts? Tell me first. I'll take if you need to take up the one more question, definitely we'll take it. Let me see one more question in that case. Yeah, I'm not interested in giving the attendance. Okay, let me see another simple problem. Whether this was asked in the examination. Okay, now one more example we'll see. Used to the questions. Yeah. Okay, one question for you. Shall we solve one more? Yes, students. I hope you people are getting it. Yeah. So one example you can solve, and actually there is one concept of minimizing also. We have seen in the previous exam classes about the date state. I'll be introducing one very important different kind of states which will be helping you to minimize the automata. Okay. So let me draw that here only. I'll just save the things. Just keep it. Come on, fast. Okay, so I'll make one more slide here. Okay, fine. I don't require this. Okay, even I don't require this. Fine. So once again, I'll tell you I'm very bad in drawing things. Please bear me. Q0 initial state. It goes to Q1 from it is state alphabet A. It's coming out alphabet A. 0 is going. Then Q2. Okay. Uh, it is coming out from A, and there is a Q3. I'll write down the Q3 here. थोड़ा सा अलग बनाते हैं इनसे. Q3 is a final state. Okay, Q3 is a final state. So from Q2 over B, it is going over here. Then from Q1 over B, it is reaching to B, Q3, and Q0 ka B over B, it is coming out. So Q0 AB, Q1 AB, and Q2 AB is done. Now Q3, okay. So Q3 ka AB, it is going out to Q5, and this Q5 is also final state. So A comma B both. Then कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है. Just a minute. Okay, I'll just make one change here. This is different. Q2 ka B, it is going to Q4, and Q4 ka AB is coming out here. Yeah. Okay. This was the question. Okay. So actually, before you solve, I hope you people have noted down, or you might be noted down. Please take another 1 minute and note it down. We'll be seeing one more state here, an important state actually. Is there any doubt about this diagram? आपको कुछ अल्फाबेट समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या फिर कुछ बताइए मुझे. Q5 का ट्रांजिशन ओवर A, B. Okay then. I hope you people have noted down. Let's start and considering a very important concept. What do you mean by date state, guys? We have discussed about the date state. Let me know about the dates, because here I'm going to introduce one more state which has to be removed. What do you mean by this date state? Yeah. dead state. Which never reaches final state. Okay, which never reaches final state. Okay, Snehal. Mm, rejecting state that initially a dead state. Fine, rejecting state. Okay, people used to give them of different name, but actually we cannot call it as a dead state. Anyways, fine. So I will say 40-50% is correct. No outgoing transition. About dead state. Okay, it is a state where we can't process further. Okay, fine. Vaishnavi, yeah, it's fine. State where we can't process or no outgoing transition. It is also considered as a dead state because it's a dead end we used to call. In the same way, if I ask you one question, what you will be saying about unreachable states? Unreachable state. Unreachable state. You know the reachability, right? So can you just tell me about the unreachable states? What you can predict or what you can understand about the unreachable states? Unreachable from what? The states which are unreachable, as here Snehal has point out as a dead state as which never reaches final state. Okay, now I'll ask everybody now, can they say anything on unreachable state? Unreachable state. If I take you back to the question, to the question, not reachable from initial state, we can't reach it. Anushka is also correct in her way, as well as Prajit is also correct. uh, a state which has no input state. See, Darshana, we have only one input state. Okay, initial state, I think you want to say. Okay, so this may not be the complete correct words. Input state. Okay, anyways, I will be seeing this Rajit and Anushka, they have reached to the actual answer actually. So let's go back to the previous question and we'll see. See, here we have seen unreachable state, dead state. You are aware. Is there any dead state, guys, in this diagram? Are you finding out any dead state? And let me make a point. Dead state cannot be a final state. As one of the student has make a point, for rejecting purpose we are using, and the final state is for always accepting. Okay, so and a very important point I must say, final state can never be a dead state. Now tell me, are you able to find any dead state in this? As you are aware of the dead state, that's why I'm asking. Yeah, dead state. Yes or no? Only two options we have. What about Q5?
No, sir.
Is there any dead state, guys? Okay, I have the answers here. Vaishnavi is saying Q4. Uh, Namira is saying Q5. Okay, fine. Q2. How Q2? Where is the Q2? Okay, I'll come back to that also. Q2. Q2. Everybody is saying about Q2 and Shiv is saying no, sir. Okay, anyways. It's correct. We don't have any dead state here. As people have said about the Q5, I think I was clear about that thing. As it is accepting state, we cannot consider as a dead state. It is the final state. If it would have been non-final state, then it might have been considered as a dead state. but as it is a final state, we cannot. In the examination you may get such of the things, so that people will get confused, and they'll remove q5, which was the final state, and consider as by considering it as a dead state. Okay, so keep that point in mind. The final state cannot be a dead state. Okay, now people are saying about mostly they are focused on q2 and q4. These are not a dead state. Dead state में क्या होता है? Dead state में there is no outgoing transition from this. Say from this q2 there is outgoing transition to q1, from q4 there is outgoing transition to q3, which leads to final states. I'll put up an important point on unreachable state. Unreachable states. Unreachable, इसका मतलब क्या होता है guys? Reachable from इनिशियल स्टेट. कहां से शुरुआत कहां से करोगे आप? यू विल ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इनिशियल स्टेट. सो यू हैव टू चेक whether all the states are reachable from the q0. Say q0 to q1, whether it is reachable, yes, over a. q0 to q0 to q3, whether it is reachable, yes, over b. What about q5? Yes, you can see q0 to it goes to q3, then it goes to q5. So indirectly it is reachable from q0. Can you able to tell me whether your state q2 and q4 are reachable from initial state? Just check it out, guys. How will you reach to q2? Because you will start your processing from q0, right? So it should reach. If it is not reach, then there is no meaning of holding them in this automata. Are you able to reach to q2 in any way? See, even if there is no direct path possible to reach to q2, whether there is indirect path, just like for q5 we have seen, just like for q5 we have seen, for q5 we have seen there is no direct path possible, so we have considered intermediate node, that is q3. So q0 to q3 we have moved, from q3 to q5 we have gone, right? So is there any path from the state q0 to q2 or q4? See, the here the direction of the paths is very important. It is outgoing. Is there any inward path which is reaching to the q2 or q4? Certainly not. In that case, they are considered as a unreachable state. They are considered as a unreachable state, and they will not take part to reach to the final state, because we are not able to reach only the reach it to these states only, right? q2 and q5. So there is no meaning to have a transition from q2 to q1 over a, or q4 from q4 to q3 over a and b. We are not able to reach only q2 and q4, so there is no meaning to have the path from q2 and q4, which may lead to the final state also, which may lead to the final state also. Are you getting the concept what I'm saying? In that case, we should remove we should remove the unreachable state. We should remove the unreachable and dead state, and dead state, because actually very important point, when we are considering a DFA, we know we don't have the concept of dead state. Okay, as well as when we are considering the minimized automata, we have to check whether there is any unreachable state. If it is there any unreachable state, we have to remove this unreachable state. So can you help me to remove this unreachable state, guys? Okay, so q0 over q1, how your automata will look like now? A, okay, then let me make it here. Okay, I'll make it out here only. q3, which is a final state, and q5, which is also a final state. Okay, so q1 over b, it is reaching to q3. This is over a, and q3 over, from q3 it is a comma b, and this is a comma b. Now, this is what your automata looks like. We don't have Q2 and Q4. We have removed the Q2, Q4 because they are unreachable states. Say before solving the step 1, you should first finalize, check whether there is unreachable state. If it is a complete proper automata, there is no concept. If it is a DFA, there is no concept of dead state because DFA don't have the concept of dead state. Sorry, I'm sorry. It has a dead state. Okay, so we will be checking out if there is a dead state, whether it is a final state. If it is a final state, don't remove. If it is simple dead state, you can remove it. Okay, as well as unreachable states. Remove the unreachable state. Whether you people got it? Yes. Tell me first. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So now your questioned automata is changed from this to this, and now you can apply the concept what we have learned for the minimizing the automata. For minimizing the automata. So right now, instead of having 6 states, here only in the step 1 only you have removed these 2, so you will be left out only with 4 states. I'm sorry. Okay, so I hope you can take this question to the further level and you will be able to solve. Okay guys, so these are the two important points I wanted to discuss. If you have a dead state and unreachable state in minimize automata, you can remove them in minimizing the automata because we don't require the states. uh, uh, Anyways, we have to make it minimized one. Okay, so remove those unreachable states which are unreachable instances which are unable to reach from the initial state, just like the Q2 and Q4. That's what I have taken this example where I can able to introduce the concept of unreachable states. Dead state you have already aware of. Unreachable state I have introduced now. So try solving such kind of question. In the you first find out the questions from the maybe 2015 onwards, okay, or 17 onwards. You start finding out the question paper and start solving the module 1. We are left, and I think this much is enough for the table filling method also. We are left with only 1 point. Actual 2 points are left out with the syllabus, but the second part, that is machine with output, that is milling machine and Muri machine, will be taking in after third module. Only the one part is left out, that is epsilon NFA. We have talked about the NFA. Now I'll be introducing another important concept of the epsilon NFA in the further class. Okay, so we'll be left. I'll hardly able to take the 2 classes are required for the epsilon NFA. Again, there is a conversion method that epsilon NFA has to be converted into DFA. As we have converted NFA to DFA, there is the one procedure to convert epsilon NFA to DFA also. So I'll be introducing the concept of epsilon into the NFA first, then we'll be converting into DFA final, because finally we require a DFA only. Okay, uh, so hardly 2 more classes are required to wind up with the module 1. One part will be left out, we'll be taking it after the module 3. Okay, so start preparing. Almost 20% of the syllabus we are going to finish in this week. Okay, module 1 is little bit huge in the size compared to other modules. For the other classes, other modules will be requiring very less classes. Okay, so start preparing. Maybe coming Monday or Wednesday, we'll be planning to have one class test over the module 1, which will be a graded one. Okay, the grades will be given, and which may or may not be a objective type. I'm not sure about it because we have a lot of questions here which we have to practice. So there may be that you have to solve the questions also, as well as theoretical parts are also there. Okay class, so if you have any doubt, please let me know, because another 10 minutes I'll take your class, then your class will start directly. You can go for the third class. Second class I'm only engaging it. Tell me, over to you people. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, then I think you don't have any doubts. I hope you people